Hi friends, it's Walid and welcome to Creative Skills. Today, I am going to teach you about the Photoshop layer mask. The layer mask is very useful and it helps us to hide or reveal any selected area of an image non-destructively. In my previous Photoshop Basic series tutorial, I have explained about the Photoshop layers. If you didn't watch that tutorial, the link is on the top right corner of the screen, or you can also check the link in the descriptions below. I have arranged all my Photoshop Basic series tutorials one by one chronologically. You should check other tutorials to increase your knowledge about Photoshop. Let's move to the Photoshop. I have already imported some images in Photoshop. You can see here these are the images which I have already opened. This is the image of simple house and this is the rock wall texture and this is two wooden texture. Now I'll use the layer mask to cut out this window door. Let me zoom in the image by selecting the zoom tool, or you can also press the shortcut key Z to select the zoom tool, and then you can use any of the selecting tool. I want to mask it from the image. I'll simply click on the rectangular marquee tool and select the inner side of the window. I have selected all the area which I want to mask out. Let me select this layer and unlock the layer by click on the lock sign, and then I'll go to the layer and then select the layer mask. And there are some of the options: reveal all, hide all, reveal selection, hide selection. I want to hide the selection, therefore I'll click on the fourth option, hide selection. As I click on the hide selection, this area of the image removed. And you can see in the layer, this is the layer mask which I have created. All the white area reveal the image and all the black area hide the image. And then I have cut out the inside of the window, and then I'll turn on the house in green fields layer and select this layer and drag it down to the background layer. Now I'll select the move tool and resize the image. Let me zoom out the image and resize the image by holding down Alt and Shift key and resize the image. Now let me zoom in the image. Now I have some of the boundaries of the window. The thin black boundaries are still there. I want to remove these boundaries also. Again, I'll select the window layer and select the layer mask, and then again select the rectangular marquee tool and I'll make the selection. My inner area is selected, and then I'll place the Ctrl and backspace key to fill the selected area with the black color. Here my background color is black, therefore I have filled the color with black. As you know, the black color hides the image and the white color reveals the image. Therefore, I have filled my black area. First of all, I have made the selection and then fill the selected area with black color to hide the boundaries, and then zoom it out and press the Ctrl D key to unselect the image and fit the image on the screen. Now I want to apply this texture. This is the rock wall texture which I want to apply on this image. I'll simply select the window image. Let me turn off the rock wall texture, and now I want to select this area of the door. I'll simply go to the select and then press the subject. My all subject is selected. Now my all wooden window is selected. Now I'll go to the rock wall layer and let me turn on the layer. Now the selection is made. I have made the selection of the window. You can see here on the image. I have made the selection now. Now I'll select the rock wall layer and then go to the layer option and select layer mask and then select the hide selection. Now I am going to hide the selection. All the image that is selected is hide. You can see here in the layer mask all the white area is showing and all the black area is hidden. Now again go with the texture. I'll turn on my wooden texture and simply go to the previous layer mask, and by holding down the Alt key helps me to copy the mask and paste it on the texture layer. Simply drag it up. The same mask I have applied on the rock wall layer is pasted on the wooden texture. Now I'll select the wooden texture and change the blending mode of the layer to multiply or any other option. You can try it by yourself. Overlay is best for me. Now I'll adjust the opacity. I'll bring the opacity down like 75% is best for me. Here you can see the wooden texture applied. This is also the wooden texture. I also want to apply this texture. I'll simply right click on the texture and select create clipping mask. Or you can also go to the layer option and click on the create clipping mask. The clipping mask applied on the image. Now this texture is applied on the image, and now my image is almost ready. I'll also change the blending mode to something like multiply. Okay, and bring down the opacity to 74 or 75%. It's okay. And now I'll make some shadow. I'll simply select my window image and select the mask and go to the properties. If your property panel is not appearing here, you can simply go to the window and select the properties. Your property panel will appear. And now to feather amount, I'll increase the feather amount like something. Let me bring the property panel here and selected my data layer. And let me set the feather value like something 9.5 pixels, and also adjust the feather value of rock wall texture. Let me bring the property panel here and select the layer. Now this is the simple mask. You can easily remove the part of the image non-destructively, or you can also reveal the image. One thing I forgot to tell you that you can also apply the layer mask on any of the layer from here. Let me select any of the layer. I'll select a house in greenfield layer. The layer is selected, and now I'll simply press on the layer mask. Let me turn off all the above layers. Here no any effect will apply. Let me select the brush tool, and my background color is black and foreground color is white. I'll apply on the image. Nothing will happen because my background color is black and my foreground color is white. Let me exchange the color, and now my foreground color is black and background color is white. And let me increase my brush size and apply the brush now. Now I am removing the sky, or if I want to reveal all of the removed area, I'll simply invert the color and then apply it again. My all image will showing again. Let me delete my layer mask. Let me again click on the layer mask, but for this time I'll hold down the Alt key and click on the layer mask. The layer mask is filled with black color and all my image is hidden. My brush tool is selected and now I'll invert the color. White color is my foreground color and black color is my background color. And now I'll apply the brush tool where I want my image. As I am applying brush, the image is showing me. Here the layer mask tool is very useful tool. Or you can also disable the layer mask by simply holding down the shift key and click on the layer mask. The layer mask disabled, or you can also delete the layer mask. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial, and if you want to ask anything regarding this tutorial, please comment us in the comment section. We'll reply you as soon as possible, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.